Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Flourish and I'm back again with another video. So today is going to be a get ready with me video. So I want to get ready. I have a photo shoot in some minute now. I'm even late for my appointment. My photographer has called me, but I'm still going to do this video and I'm just going to hurry up and do my makeup. Okay, so my birthday is in few days. In 2 days, yeah, today is Friday. My birthday is going to be on Sunday and I'm super excited. I'm happy to be turning an additional year. Yes, plus one. So I'm super excited. I'm so pumped up. I'm so happy. So I just want to do a photo shoot to just mark this birthday. So that's why I just want to, that's why I'm getting ready with you guys now. So I'm just going to do my makeup quickly and then I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the lessons that I have learned in so far the years I have lived. Okay, so if you're interested, please stay tuned and continue watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. Thank you guys for watching and sticking with me. I love you so much. Mwah! Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be starting off with my primer. Yes, I have to be fast with this makeup, honestly, because I'm so late. I have a mirror down here that I'm using to see what I'm doing. So if I'm looking down, please just know that I am looking at my mirror. So I'm just going to use a primer. This is the primer I'm using from Zaron. Yeah. So, oh God, Zen is crying, and I don't want him to be in this video, like, because I want to be fast. I want to hurry up, and then I'll go into next with my foundation, Zaron. I use mostly Zaron products. I don't know, but I love their products though. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing some of the lessons I've learned so far in life. And one of the lessons, this video was not planned at all. Okay, so I'm just going to be saying off my head. So one of the lessons, oh, this foundation is too much. Oh, I don't want something much. Okay. So one of the lessons I've learned so far in life is to trust God completely for your life. Honestly, one of the best decisions that has happened in my life, and I say it everywhere, is knowing God. Honestly, like, I'm not trying to be religious or anything. Obviously, I'm a Christian. I love God so much dearly, and I always say this, that without God in my life, I don't know where I would have been, to be honest. And one of the best decisions that I made is knowing and accepting God. So in this life, please learn to trust God completely for your life. Next thing I learned is in life is that I have learned so far in life is that everything will come together. Like, everything will come together. If I can advise my younger self, I would tell my younger self to, there's no need bothering about anything. There's no need worrying about anything because it will come together eventually. I remember when I used to be queen of worry. Like, for a long time I barely sleep. Like, in my sleep I'll be worrying. That was how bad it was for me. Like, I'll be worrying about everything because I want to be in control of everything. But so now I have learned that all those my worry was just a complete waste of my time and my peace. Because now eventually everything is coming to play. The truth of the matter is that God is not going to show you everything about your life at once. Okay? Because if He shows you everything about your life, what are you trusting Him for? So He's going to show you bit by bit of your life. All right? So, and eventually everything will fall in place. So please stop worrying. So the next lesson I will be sharing is, don't compare yourself with anybody. See, don't compare yourself with anybody. See, in this life, I used to say something, and I think no, not even I used to say. It's just the truth. The thing is, I've seen someone post this before, and it says that no matter where you think you are, there are people that will still be ahead of you, and there are there are people that you will be ahead of. That's just how life is. So you boarding yourself and watching people's life, maybe your classmates, we are not running the same race. As I am like this, my only competition is myself. That's just the honest truth. That is the honest truth, because why would I be comparing myself with another person? The truth is that some of us or some people have more privilege than other people, and that's even one of the reasons why we cannot even be at the same we cannot go at the same pace. Do you understand? Some people have things already laid down for them in their lives, and they are moving faster. Some people, we cannot move on. Even in marathon now, for example, in a marathon they might all start together, but they will not all reach at their destination together. Some will reach before another. That's just how life is. Life is a race. For me, I see life as a marathon. That life is a marathon. We cannot all reach our life destination at the same time. So why are you now burdening yourself, comparing your life with your friend or your classmates? No, it's a waste of time, to be honest. Because at the end of the day, we are not running the same race. So please, stop comparing yourself with people. You will just end up being unhappy for the rest of your life. Okay, so I have done my lashes and some other things off camera, because I told you guys that I'm rushing. The photographer has even called me like how many times now. But I have to do what I need to do. Okay, let me just continue. Back to my lessons. The best investment you can make is investing in yourself. Like, invest in yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, everything, health wise. Just invest in yourself. Every single day, try to be a better version of yourself. That's what I tell myself. That's one of the lessons I've learned. To invest in myself, in my well being. It's not selfish to take care of yourself, because if you don't, nobody will take care of you. And like the popular say, that you cannot pour from an empty cup, which is very true. If you're not investing in yourself, what do you want to come and say? If you're not investing in yourself mentally, socially, health wise, like, so invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can, one of the best investments that you can give, is investing in yourself. Improve on your well-being, improve on your knowledge, improve on everything. Try things, okay? That brings me to another lessons. Please try things. Take risks. Don't be always on the safe side. Try new things. For me, I'm ambivert, but I can also say I'm an introvert. But I think an ambivert is also an introvert and an extrovert, depending on the side you want to see. But I have learned to not always be in my comfort zone all the time. So I've learn to try new things, explore, try new things. Don't be rigid. Don't be flexible. Try new things. The highest thing that can happen is that, okay, you don't like it and you not do it again. You tried that thing and it doesn't work and you don't do it again. Simple. So just learn to try new things. So I want to line my lips now. I'm going with this palette, the darker shade. I don't know the type of lip I want to do, but I think it has to be a natural look. Okay, another thing is that please be kind. Don't don't change yourself because of how others has treated you. Don't change. Because for me, I've almost changed who I am because of how people has treated me in the past. But I have also learned that how people treat me is not it has nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with them. Because even when you're nice with people, I've seen things, so even when you're nice with people, they turn to be wicked and bad to you. But that doesn't mean that you have to change because of people and how bad they have treated you. Don't stop being you. Still be the kind and amazing person that you have always been. Okay? So another thing is invest in relationships. This one is a bit dicey, but even me in this part I'm trying. I'm trying to invest in meaningful relationships and friendships. Okay? I'm learning to do that because even for me, my friendships are not perfect. I even want to make new friends. I want to learn to be a better friend. I'm learning to be a better friend. Okay. Even though I know that when you become an adult, friendship kind of become more difficult. I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing this. It's very difficult to keep up. It's even more difficult to make new friends. Yeah, it's even more difficult to make new friends as an adult. But I'm just believing God to help me to make the right to meet more people and make more good friendships. Okay. I think I'm almost done with this makeup. Let me just do some finishing touches here and there. Like, how am I doing? How's my makeup? Is it beautiful? I think I'm doing a good job. Like, it's not bad at all. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy, oh. Yeah, so that's like few of the lessons that I have learned. Okay. Another thing is I want to say is that also give love a chance. All right. Give love a chance. Like, yeah, I know some people would have had some bad experiences with relationships and all of that. But sorry. But regardless, just give love a chance. Okay? Learn to love. Love is beautiful. Love is really beautiful. So just give love a chance. Okay? So I want to put some little blush on my face, like for a pop of color. Ha, this photographer is calling me again. Oh, ha, photographer, I'm coming. Oh, Jesus. So I'm going to use my highlighter to highlight my face. Okay, so that's like the few lessons that I have learned. Okay, I have more to say, but I will just stop here. Maybe I'm just going to do another video. Hey, Jesus. Oh, hey, God. See, please, I know that this video is a bit chaotic. Just pardon me. Like, just I'm rushing at the same time trying to shoot content for you guys. That's why you should please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg, please, they beg you. It's not easy to shoot content, oh please help us, help my ministry. I beg you, I'm begging. Please just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, please, if you're not subscribed now, please just punch that red button, please, at least for a birthday gift. Just say, Floyd, because it's your birthday, just take my subscription. Okay, thank you. I love you guys so much. All right, so I'm almost done. I think I'm even done, Seth. I think I don't try small sha. Okay, so I think I'm done. So I need to spray my face now. I'm going to use my Zaron setting spray. I'll be finishing spray. Yeah. To just set this makeup up. I look so good. Hey, hey, birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl. Okay, girl. Don't mind me. Oh. I'm sure you guys have not seen this other side of me, right? All right, let me just. Hey, look at my. It's fine. They know I'm doing makeup, so yeah. Oh, so let me just blow it so that everything will just come to play. So yeah, I want to start going now. So this is how the makeup turned out to look. I think I did a good job. Yeah, I think I did a good job. So yeah, I need to head out now. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me up to this time. I love you guys. Take care. I love you. Bye. Till we see again in my next video. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video or I'm going to add something else. But for now, bye. Stay blessed and keep flourishing.